Hey guys, Trenton here from How to Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. And today we're going to fix the problem of not being able to search or sort our playlists anymore. And this can be really frustrating, especially if that's something you're used to doing or you have a really, really big playlist. But I really just want to ask before we get into this, if this video helps you out today, please consider leaving a super thanks or just engaging in the video in any way, as it really does help me out, guys. But to fix this, let's go over to one of our playlists. So see here, I have my indie litness playlist. And if I try to swipe up to find the search bar, it's not there, right? That's frustrating. And, I have a bunch of songs in here, blah, blah, blah. So the reason this isn't working for you is probably because you have Smart Shuffle on, and you can see that next to the play button on the right-hand side. It's the shuffle with like the little twinkle. That means it's Smart Shuffle. So if you hit that, it'll actually turn it off, and you'll see you can actually search in here again. And if you go and do normal shuffle, you can search, but if you turn it back on, you'll see it's actually disabled, right? So to get your search back or your sort, that's what you have to do. And if you want a more permanent way to get rid of the smart shuffle, I do have a video on how to do that, which I will link in this video. Anyways, guys, if it helped you today, you know what to do. Peace.